good question. When you restart an experiment, do you need to create a new experiment in Amplitude from scratch, or can you reuse the old experiment somehow? There is an option, and we'll restart an experiment in Amplitude. It's under an overflow menu or one of those dot menus, so it can be hard to find, but you have the option to restart an experiment.
Hi, Eric. Just a quick question on the follow-up, actually, what you were trying to explain. There are a lot of times when there is an experiment we are running and then we see a sudden different external factors affecting it, right? For an example, in India, there is a festive season going on. So a lot of users' behavior changes, and that's something that we didn't calculate in an experiment. How do we make sure that is something considered in Amplitude or by design?
I understand. Thank you for being with us. That's a great question. So what I heard from you is, so there's seasonal things, right? Maybe there's a holiday going on. Or there's an election. Like people go crazy around elections and people's behavior can be different. These are called exogenous variables to the experiment. So the great thing about experimentation and the way we do it as we do is that because we have two groups that are randomized, those exogenous effects impact both those groups equally. And so our experiment, while impacted by those factors, it is randomized and distributed throughout both groups. A metric be lower than you expect or higher than you expect because of that time, but it's going to impact your variance as well. It's not just going to impact your control group, it's going to impact your variant in a similar way. And so in that way, you've isolated and controlled for those exogenous factors just by running the A/B test. And that's actually one of the reasons A/B tests are superior to just saying, hey, I'm going to roll out a feature and let me see what happens. Because if I roll out a feature and then the next day is a holiday, those results that I compare to the day before are impacted by that holiday. The other thing that you can do, particularly if you want to get towards a better baseline, is just run your experiment for longer. Maybe that holiday is a holiday weekend or a couple of days. Make sure that you're running your experiment at least X number of weeks so that you're getting enough signal for days when that experiment, when that holiday or external event wasn't occurring. So you don't have to do anything to control for it. The A/B test is what's controlling for those exogenous factors.
Hey, thanks. Thank you so much, Eric.